Integrity Maintenance Ltd. of Carlyle, Saskatchewan is a maintenance and repair company serving the gas and oil industry since 2007. The business owners, Mark and Tracy Slykhuis, have been supporting the Moose Mountain Snowmobile Club since 2008. Each year, this company donates over 100 hours of employee labor and related equipment to do groomer repairs and repairs to the trail bases in the forest. That's well over a $10,000 contribution. Their expertise in groomer maintenance contributes to keeping machines out on the trail. Integrity used 2-tracked skid steers to open trails in the forest around Hewitt Lake to eliminate the need for an ice crossing. Integrity have also completed mowing and mulching on the snowmobile trails in the fall, making it easier to roll out the trails for the season. Thank you for helping out to ensure a day on the local trails is a good day. Congratulations, Integrity Maintenance.